Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Ford key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that will take you straight there. You're also going to need a medium-sized flat blade screwdriver. First step is you want to remove this piece, and you do that by squeezing these two halves, and that'll pop up right there. Go ahead and use that to remove your mechanical key, like so. Now you want to take your screwdriver, insert it right here, nice and kind of far in there, and just press that back portion out. Now you have access to your battery. Again, use your screwdriver here, pop out the dead battery. New one goes in positive side facing down. Clip these two halves back together. Line these up. Put the mechanical key back in. Now this part, you want to make sure that these fins go in first. You want to be careful when you do this because they can get damaged pretty easily. Alright, so there we go. We're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.